Welcome back students to our maths class of class 7. In last video, we have seen exercise 1.3 up to question number 4, and in today's video we are going to see exercise 1.3 question number 5. Okay, so the first sum of this question, it is a sum. It is 26 multiplied by minus 48 plus minus 48 multiplied by minus 36. Now in the question it is clearly mentioned that you have to use the property to solve this question. Properties means the distributive property, the associative property, the commutative property, all the properties of multiplication that we have seen, we have to use to solve this sum. If in the examination you are not using the properties, you will get 0 marks. This I have explained you in the live class also. So how to proceed for this? Here you can see that a and here multiplication is there, addition is there, and again multiplication is there. Okay, let the integers be positive or negative, but the operations are multiplication, addition, and multiplication. So for this you should use distributive property, because it is only in the distributive property that we have multiplication also and addition also. But for this, the distributive property says a multiplied by b plus c equals to, the distributive property says a multiplied by b plus c equals to a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. Now you can see that this form is in this form, a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. Here 48, minus 48 and minus 48 you can see common. It is present in both the this thing. This you don't have to write, this one you don't have to write. So, but the form is not, so this is a, this is b, b multiplied by a plus a multiplied by c. This form is not a multiplied by b. So for this we will use a multiplied by b form. How we will do that? Since multiplication is commutative, that means b into a can be written as a into b. So we can use only for this the commutative property. So you have to write down the property also, by commutative property. Okay, by commutative property. So this can be written as minus 48 multiplied by 26 plus sign minus 48 multiplied by minus 36. Okay, so now we can see here with a pencil you can write down a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c format is there. So this a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c, we can write down this as by using by distributive property. By distributive property. Okay, so using distributive property, a multiplied by b plus c equals to a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. So this is the form that we can see here. So this form can be written in this format also. That means this a can be taken out common. This is a common factor a taken out. So a is minus 48. So minus 48 can be taken out common, multiplied by, what is b? 26 plus, and what is c? Minus 36. Now we are going to simplify this. Okay. So this one step, this is the second step. We have only written the properties here. Now first we will simplify the bracket. So this equals to minus 48 multiplied by 26, plus is outside, minus is inside, so nothing will change. So 26 minus 36. This equals to minus 48 multiplied by 26 minus 36, the answer would be minus 10, and minus multiplied by minus, so we are going to get a positive answer, and 48 multiplied by 10, the answer is 480, and done. See, if you are multiplying these two taking out the answer. Then 48 into 36, taking out the answer. Instead of that, if you are going with the properties, our simplification has become very easy. We have simplified it to a form where we easily find out the answer. So this is how the first question is solved. Okay, now we move towards the B question. What is the B question? 8 multiplied by 53 multiplied by minus 25. Herein all multiplications are there. If you check in our properties list, A multiplied by B multiplied by C, so we can use here associative property. By associative property. Okay, by associative property. How we are going to associate? What we are going to associate? We will associate a number, these multiplications, in such a way that when we multiply the two numbers, we will get on the units place 0. Suppose you multiply these two, 8 3s are 24, on unit place 4 is coming. If you multiply these two, 3 and 5, so 3 5s are 15, so on unit place 5 is coming. But if you multiply 8 and 25, 8 5s are 40, on unit place we will get a 0. So we will associate 8 and minus 25. Okay, so this equals to 53 multiplied by 8 multiplied by minus 25. So what we have done, we have just only shifted 8 this side. So by associative property, so we will give this a bracket using the associative property. That means we have made an association of this, that is A multiplied by C and then multiplied by B. We have written in our properties. Now first we will solve the bracket. 53 multiplied by 8 5s are 40, 4 0, 8 to the 6, 2 8s are 16, 17, 18, 19. Just let me check. So 8 5s are 40, 0, 8 25s are 8 to the 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have here 200, minus 200 we have. Okay, and 53 multiplied by minus 200. What is the answer we are going to get? Sorry, here minus 125 is there. Okay, let us do some correction here. Minus 125 is there. Here minus 125 is there. So our answer will be negative only, but it would be some other. 8 5s are 40, 4 0, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, here 2 0, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10. So minus 1000. So here was the mistake. Instead of writing 125, I have written 25. So answer was getting wrong. Now it is correct. So 53 multiplied by minus 1000. Now you can see the simplification is done. Very simplified answer we can find out. This would be 53 and 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, and 1 is negative integer. So answer is minus 53,000. So done. Question number B is also solved. Okay, we will be moving towards question number D. Question number C is again with the associative property. You can see it in the notes. Only we have to associate the numbers and then we have to find out the product. So question number D. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 41, sorry. Minus 41 multiplied by 102. Minus 41 multiplied by 102. So here only multiplication is there. So no such property is applicable here, but we'll have to make use of some property. So we will do some adjustment here. What adjustment we are going to do? We will adjust this 102. Okay. How we are going to adjust this 102? See, minus 41 multiplied by 100 plus 2. What we have done? This 102 we have bifurcated and written as 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2 is again 102. So it is making no difference. Now here we can see this is A multiplied by B plus C in the bracket. So this is nothing but this is distributive property. So by distributive property, by distributive property. This equals to A. Now this A should be multiplied by B first. So minus 41 multiplied by 100 plus, now the plus sign is there, and this A should be multiplied with C also. Minus 41 multiplied by 2. So the answer comes to minus 4100 plus minus 41 into 2 minus 82. Now this will become minus 4100 minus 82. So minus and minus plus, so minus 4182 is the answer, and the D question is also solved. Okay, we'll see the E sum. 625 multiplied by minus 35 plus minus 625 multiplied by 65. How to proceed? Again, here you can see multiplication is there, addition is there, multiplication is there. You can see 625 here, 625 here. Something is common. Okay, so distributive property can be used. But 625 and minus 625, they both are not same, because one is positive integer, one is negative integer. They will never be equal. So we cannot say that this is A and this is also A. So again, here in this sum we will have to do some adjustment. So in one of the properties we have written that by minus A multiplied by B equals to minus B multiplied by A equals to minus A into B. Okay, what we have done? So if there is a negative sign here into any one of the integers, ultimately in the answer we are going to get, or this we can write as A multiplied by minus B. So what we are going to get is that we are going to get in the answer minus sign. So if minus sign is here or here, it makes no difference. Okay, so what we will do, we will transfer this minus sign to 65. So this equals to 625 multiplied by minus 35 plus 625 multiplied by, minus sign is transferred here, so minus 65. Ultimately, when we are going to multiply these two, we are going to get a negative integer. Let the negative sign to be here or here, it will make no difference in the answer. So what we have done, now we have transferred it to 65. Now here you can clearly see A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. Distributive property. By distributive property. By distributive property. A multiplied by B plus C equals to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. So this equals to 625 is taken out common as A multiplied by, what is B? We'll give a square bracket, minus 35 plus, what is C? Minus 65. So this equals to 625 multiplied by, we'll open up this bracket, minus 35, outside plus sign is there, so this will not change, this will remain minus only, minus 65. So this equals to 625 multiplied by, minus and minus, addition is to be done, so just let me check, 35, here is 35 written, 36. 35, 5 and 5, 10, 0, 1, 6 and 1, 7 and 3, 10. So 100, minus 100. Okay, here we will get a minus sign. So this equals to, so ultimately our answer comes to, here negative sign is there, so answer will be negative 625 and 2 zeros. 62500. So done, the question is solved, and we'll stop here only. And in the next video we will see the another questions. Okay, thank you.